उसके बाद आई वॉज जस्ट चेकिंग माई आर्म कि मुझे एग्जैक्टली कितना लगा है। उस टाइम पे इट वॉज जस्ट दिस पार्ट वॉज विजिबल, रेस्ट ऑल वॉज लाइक नॉर्मल एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम। And when I was checking it, it was a big mirror, like 2.5 feet by roughly around 2 feet. And वो उसी जगह पे काफ़ी टाइम से रखी हुई होगी। Suddenly, when I'm seeing myself, after 2 minutes, the mirror falls on my jacket, जो exactly नीचे रखा, उसके ऊपर पूरा shatter हो गई। What's up guys? I hope you guys are doing well. And well, today's vlog is not a journey vlog or something. This is something which I wanted to share, the kind of experience which I faced while coming from Goa to Bombay, like my first attempt, which I did on 28th of December. So yeah, it was kind of a very spooky experience. I certainly don't mean to say anything off, but yeah, this is what I experienced during coming back. So yeah, I'll just share the video of journey which I started that morning, so you can see that first.
So yeah, I'm not wearing my gloves just because मुझे road ठीक से पता नहीं, and it's very easy for me to handle this navigation. So yeah, till Goa West, I won't be wearing my gloves.
So yeah, the video which you saw right now, the journey went pretty much smooth. I started my journey at morning 4:30, and certainly I met an accident at 4:45 roughly. So the accident was such that I was going on this straight empty highway, which is a straight highway which starts from Goa. It goes to Sawantwadi, like Kolhapur, Sawantwadi, and so on and so forth. So when I started my journey, it was I was staying at Porvorim, and वहाँ से I started heading towards the north of Goa, like towards the border of Sawantwadi. 10 किलोमीटर क्रॉस हो चुके हैं। I cross मापसा सिटी क्रॉस होने के बाद I was heading towards Pernem, like something of that sort. Probably, sorry, forgive me if I'm spelling it wrong, but yeah, like towards that border. Full road empty है, I can't see anything. मतलब पूरे रोड पे मैं अकेला बाइक चला रहा हूँ। मॉर्निंग 4:45 के आसपास का टाइम है ये। एंड चलते चलते आई सडनली सी अ ड्रम विच इज़ राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी, लाइक डिस्टेंस उसकी विजिबिलिटी भी इतने करीब पे आ गई थी कि लाइक इट वॉज जस्ट रफली अराउंड 30 मीटर्स भी नहीं, आई मीन लाइक 10 मीटर्स बचे थे, 30 फीट के आसपास। इट वॉज हार्डली 10 मीटर्स away from me, like 30 feet. And yeah, till the time I could react to it, my speed was roughly around 70-75, and I tried braking hard. The ABS started working on, but इतनी स्पीड कभी कम नहीं हो पाई मेरी, like कभी इतने डिस्टेंस पे स्पीड तुम्हारी ज़ीरो नहीं हो पाती। And of course then I banged into it. Even the drum was black color. It was night. It was kind of an hazy. I won't call it completely hazy, but yeah, kind of an hazy. But yeah, I banged into that black color ka drum, and when I banged into it, so of course like I wasn't able to move for like next 10 minutes. I was lying down, my back, my chest, everything was paining a lot, like my shoulder. If I show you, so yeah, it's kind of a very black section over here. So yeah, घुटनों पे लगी थी. So this was not a main concern. My main concern was my chest and my back, because it was hurting a lot. I was just scared कि like मुझे कोई internal damage ना हुआ। कि I'll come to that part. So my accident happened, and उसके बाद luckily there were people around there who came in and who tried to like help me out. So kind of very sweet people. They offered like मतलब they offered a good help to me. उन्होंने बाइक उठा के रखी मेरा कुछ सामान जो गिरा था, they help me finding it back. They gave it to me, but I was not in conscious state. I was just requesting them कि यार अगर आप इतने रात को यहाँ पे काम कर रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट कि लाइक आप यहाँ पे लाइट्स लगा दो, एटलीस्ट लाइक दूर से विजिबिलिटी बढ़े, बिकॉज देयर वाज नो लाइट on that road where they are putting a construction. There was zero light into it. But yeah, and then I decided like to head back to my जहाँ मैं रुका था बेसिकली, पोरवरी में जहाँ मैं रुका था. I decided like let me head back to that place, because with this pain I won't be able to ride that fast. But luckily a very old guy, one of those few people, जिसमें से कोई बुजुर्ग इंसान थे, उन्होंने मुझे पूछा कि like which direction are you heading towards? So I said I am heading towards Kolhapur. But he showed me कि like no, you're heading towards the wrong direction. Like तुम जिस तरफ जा रहे हो उस तरफ पैंजिम है. and I was completely shocked at this point of time because I started from Porvorim. If someone knows Goa, so I started from Porvorim. I checked, I crossed Mapsa. It's a straight road. I'll try to put a map also somewhere here. I crossed Mapsa. I was heading towards Pernim. Yeah. So on that straight road, there's no chance. There's no left and right. It's complete straight. But when I banged into it, the gentleman is saying that I was going into opposite direction. I was heading towards Panjim, which was kind of a very spooky for me. मैं उस टाइम पे उस चीज़ को समझ नहीं पाया. After a point, like I just tried to console myself कि like ओमी ठीक है, it's okay. Let's head back towards your friend's place, जहाँ मतलब मेरा दोस्त रुका हुआ था, of course Amul, and I gathered all my strength which was possible. I sat on my bike. Luckily, bike started after few trials. My camera was like उसका handle पूरा broke हो चुका था. I was not in any sense to record anything. I asked them which side should I head towards because I want to go to Porvorim. The guy like pointed out direction towards me. मैं उस तरफ बढ़ना शुरू कर दिया. जब मैंने बढ़ना शुरू किया, after a point I saw that कि like chest का जो दर्द है वो और बढ़ना शुरू हो चुका है. Chest and back, like it was unbearable. Luckily there was a petrol pump where I took a halt. मैंने बाइक लगाई साइड में. वहाँ पे जाके I just tried removing my jacket. I wasn't able to pull completely out. I just opened my zip and I just took a support of this pillar over there. There was no vehicle when I arrived. Luckily there was one truck which came later on after 2-3 minutes. And yeah, when I took a halt over there, I checked my map. Now I was heading in the opposite direction towards Kolhapur. Like पहले जब मैं 10 किलोमीटर दूर था, accident point was 10 kilometers away from the place where I was staying. Now I was 16 kilometers away from it. So again it took me from a shock, like oh me, there's something which is not right. By then I guess it was roughly around 5:10. मतलब I don't remember the exact time. But अगर मेरा एक्सीडेंट हो चुका है 4:45 तो then I just assume that it should be like around 5:10 उस पेट्रोल पंप के यहाँ पर. I somehow managed to get my all senses back. मुझे पानी पीने की ज़रूरत थी और पानी मिल नहीं रहा था मुझे. Even I spoke to the only person who was working on that petrol pump. I requested him कि भाई पानी पिला दे. I don't know, he was in some different mood. उसने ध्यान ही नहीं दिया. He thought like probably पता नहीं कोई ऐसे ही random आ चुका. But yeah, the truck guy, he was very kind enough. He offered me some water. उसने खुद की बॉटल भर के कूलर से पानी भरा. He gave me that and he offered me that water. पानी पीने के बाद after half an hour, I got little bit of energy where I could push myself to a safe house, which is जहाँ अमोल रुका हुआ था इस वक्त. I gathered everything. I tried zipping my jacket halfway so that like at least वो उड़ ना जाए. And of course then I started my journey. On the second gear, by the speed of 20-25, I reached the safe house. पता नहीं मुझे आधा पौना घंटा लग गया होगा because it was roughly around 16 kilometers. मैंने बाइक कैसे तो पार्क की. I went up. मैंने डोर नॉक किया. अमूल opened the door and then अमूल was shocked like क्या हुआ क्या. I'm like कि भाई I have no energy, please आप लगेज लेके आ जाओ, मेरा एक्सीडेंट हो चुका है. And then I went to my room. I went to sleep. Like मतलब प्रॉपर नींद लगी नहीं. My heart beats were fast. The body was in extreme pain. I was not able to wake up. I was not able to sleep. मतलब इतना ज़्यादा दर्द था कि मैं कुछ नहीं कर पा रहा था. My whole left hand side was paining extremely bad. I was just scared कि like there shouldn't be an external bleeding. Somehow like 12 बजे उठे हम लोग. 12 बजे उठने के बाद we decided let's go to hospital. Like yeah. And when I was getting ready, मैंने कुछ नहीं मतलब I didn't changed anything. I just like I just wanted to put my boots on. That's it. मैंने ना टी शर्ट निकाला, ना जैकेट निकाला, ना जीन्स निकाली. जीन्स वैसी की वैसी ही थी. एंड या उसके बाद आई वॉज जस्ट चेकिंग माई आर्म कि मुझे एग्जैक्टली कितना लगा है. उस टाइम पे इट वॉज जस्ट दिस पार्ट वॉज विजिबल. रेस्ट ऑल वॉज लाइक नॉर्मल एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. And when I was checking it, it was a big mirror, like 2.5 feet by roughly around 2 feet. And वो उसी जगह पे काफ़ी टाइम से रखी हुई होगी. Suddenly, when I'm seeing myself, after 2 minutes, the mirror falls ऑन माई जैकेट जो एग्जैक्टली नीचे रखा उसके ऊपर पूरा शैटर हो गई. मी एंड अमोल अगेन वेंट इनटू शॉक कि लाइक आई थिंक सो दिस इज़ अ गुड साइन दैट जो भी था वो शायद से निकल चुका. दैट प्रॉब्ली इट कुड हैव बीन अ बिगर ट्रबल फॉर मी एंड राइट नाउ इट्स जस्ट ऑफ. सो इट वॉज काइंड ऑफ अ very off day. Like I still remember जब वो कांच टूटी थी, I was not able to move. Amol was the one who actually cleaned all of it. उसने सारा समेटा, उसने बाहर सेफ जगह रखा. And then I don't know कहाँ रैंडम से एक कोई तो छोटा सा पीस कहीं रह गया था. And it put a cut on both of my feet. Like my left feet, my right feet, दोनों पे एक पतला पतला सा कट लगा के खून निकाल के चला गया वो. That happened. And उसके बाद में when we started our journey towards our hospital, so luckily it was such a nice people over there. The hospital was so good and it was very close. I'll tell you hospital name. It was Jesus Mary Joseph. It's in Porvorim. मतलब पोरवरम के पास ही है. Very good hotel, very good hospital, very good staff. Like you know, इतना अच्छा staff था वहाँ का. The doctors were so good. They were so kind enough that first I went to a general physician. She asked me like exactly हुआ क्या. So I briefed her like you know this is what is happening with me. She said like let's get an X-ray done and I'll call for a orthopedician. And I'm like please like चलेगा जैसे भी है I'll wait for it. We went, we got the X-ray done and in X-ray we found a very tiny fracture like one of my bone over here. So doctor got a very kind of a skeptical that there is a fracture in a rib. So which actually scared me also out. मैंने घर पे कुछ नहीं बताया था. I just kept my dad in a loop. I kept my mom completely unaware कि exactly हुआ क्या. I told her like probably I'll extend my vacation for a couple of days. But yeah. So when we found that mini fracture, I just wanted to meet orthopedician and just to know exactly what we can do with this. So because it's a very गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल, आई गेस ही वॉज कमिंग एन आवर लेट. मैं थोड़ा लेट पहुंचा था, उसके पहले निकल चुके थे वो. एंड देन द डॉक्टर रिक्वेस्टेड मी टू कम आफ्टर 1 hour. वी वेंट देयर, वी गॉट आवरसेल्व्स चेक्ड. सो फिजिशियन इज चेकिंग ईच एंड एवरी बोन ऑफ माइन. मुझे बोन पे कोई दर्द नहीं हो रहा था, बट या माई मसल वॉज इन ट्रॉमा. सो या लाइक मतलब वो हो गया. उसके बाद डॉक्टर सेड कि लाइक you're lucky enough there is no major fracture. जो हमें डाउट लग रहा था वैसी कोई चीज़ है नहीं, because the part which you're saying it's paining, it's showing all clear bone wise. Like the bone structure is completely clear over there. So that was a big relief for me. I somehow gathered my strength. I asked him like doctor, I'm planning to leave tomorrow by bus. I booked a bus ticket which was a sleeper bus so that I could come back home and I could transport my bike. बट बाई गॉड्स ग्रेस डॉक्टर ने इतनी अच्छी दवाई दी थी मुझे दैट आई वॉज फाइन इन 2 days. लाइक द फर्स्ट डोज वेंट इन, आई फेल्ट लिटिल बिट बेटर. सेकेंड डोज वेंट इन, आई फेल्ट मच बेटर. Second day, which is 29th of December, the second half of it, when my bus was about to leave, I was feeling so much better that I was like, ये बहुत ही सही चीज़ है. That I am feeling so relieved in day and a half that I could easily drive back. Like I could ride back. So I was speaking to Amol कि यार Amol, what should I do? Like what do you suggest? He's like, Omi, it's all on you, because I would suggest go safely, because you had met a major accident. So it's advisable if you go safely. But if your gut feeling is saying that you could ride back, then why not go? Like I would support you. But it's just that just be safe. So yeah, in this whole process, Amol was the one who was being a very good strength to me, like a very good friend, a very good brother, a very good strength. He took complete care of me. He took me to hospital. He took care of my food. He took care of each and everything for 2 days, which I own a lot about. And yeah, on 30th morning, the next vlog which you will be seeing is my return journey. Apparently, I was not able to speak. Of course I was able to speak, but my mic was damaged, so I was not able to sit, like you know, record my dialogue while riding. So whenever I could stop, my GoPro mic was able to catch the sound, whatever possible it was. And yeah, that's about the journey. So yeah, मतलब ये जब सारी चीज़ें हुई, my mom is also from Savantwadi, and Amol is from Kolhapur. Couple of my friends who are from Kankavali and north of Goa. So all of them shared this equal experience, like the north of Goa or Savantwadi or this place are kind of they have kind of a different energy when you pass through them. So you need to be there and right time. Hopefully always drive when it's a daytime. Like avoid driving midnight or like early morning, because yeah, like anything can happen at any given point of time. मेरा टाइम थोड़ा अच्छा था, इसलिए I could get better very fast. And probably, like I guess I can also say that it was a good energy which impacted me in a way that I could stop, but not for too long. Probably अगर होता तो शायद से आगे जाके कोई और बड़ा मिसहैप होता. जो मेरे साथ इंसिडेंट हुआ, it was hardly 10 kilometers away from my place, so that I was even able to ride back safely and come to a safe house. अगर उसके आगे होता तो I don't know exactly what could have been the outcome of it. But yeah, I would just say, whenever you're traveling to some unknown places, just be safe. Just be safe. Yeah, that's about it. And that was my journey, that was my experience. The drum, I don't know kahan se aaya. People who helped me out, I don't know, like they even suddenly jumped in. They were very sweet enough to just take care of me. Like, aap theek to ho, aap theek to ho. I'm like, yeah. My voice was so dumb that I was not even able to speak. My voice was like chopped. I'm like, yeah, I was not able to speak. It was kind of like this. But yeah, kind of a very spooky experience of going into wrong direction, and also the mirror thing. And then also I saw a couple of more my senior riders video. Even they have experienced kind of a very unusual experience in this complete patch of Amboli or Savantwadi or north of Goa. So yeah, guys, just be safe, keep traveling, just take care of yourself, just be sure exactly where you are. Baki sab badhiya. And that's about it. My next video is coming out very soon, probably in 3-4 days I'll put it out. Meanwhile, you guys stay safe, stay happy. Cheers.